Every day you are writing your legacy. Don't let anyone else hold the pen. Dan Gilbert. Welcome, future billionaires. Today we'll delve into the art of creating effective ChatGPT prompts. With ChatGPT to launch your billionaire brand in the wealthiest niches online. Step 1. Be specific. ChatGPT, give me a detailed analysis of the current trends in the online fitness industry. Step 2. Set the desired format. ChatGPT, provide me a list of the top 5 online cryptocurrency platforms. Step 3. Use multi-step prompts. ChatGPT, what are the key characteristics of successful online coaching businesses? Once identified, can you provide ways to differentiate in this niche? Step 4. Control the perspective. ChatGPT, narrate in the first person the journey of a successful online real estate mogul. Step 5. Include emojis and storytelling. ChatGPT, tell me a story about a successful dropshipping entrepreneur. Step 6. Include context. ChatGPT, assuming I have a budget of $100,000, how should I invest it across the top 5 wealthy niches? Interactive activities. Use ChatGPT to find a unique selling proposition for an online coaching business. Analyze competition in the cryptocurrency market using ChatGPT. Develop a marketing plan for a dropshipping business with the help of ChatGPT. Billionaires like Doug Meyer and Marian Illich could further leverage AI tools for effective research. Musk's SpaceX uses AI for simulation tests while Amazon recommendation engine is AI powered. It's all about working smarter, not harder. Acts of kindness. ChatGPT, suggest a charity to donate a percentage of our profits. ChatGPT, how can we create a scholarship program for students interested in entrepreneurship? ChatGPT, provide ways to support green initiatives with our online businesses. In the words of Oprah Winfrey, you become what you believe. Here's to you, the future billionaires. May your belief fuel your journey to success. Reflection questions. How can AI tools streamline your research process? How can acts of kindness benefit your brand in the long run? What unique insights do you gain about your brand from using ChatGPT? List of 20 ChatGPT prompts. What are the key trends in the online fitness industry? Summarize the history of cryptocurrency. What are the top 5 e-learning platforms? List the major players in the online real estate market. What are the top 5 dropshipping products? What are some successful marketing strategies for online coaching businesses? Compare Shopify and WooCommerce for my online store. How to create an effective SEO strategy for my e-learning platform. What are the major regulations affecting the cryptocurrency market? How to scale my online fitness business. What are some unique selling propositions for a dropshipping business? How to differentiate in the online coaching industry. What are the best ways to secure investments for my online real estate business? How to set up a customer service system for my e-commerce store. How can I leverage social media for my online fitness business? What are some successful affiliate marketing strategies? Give me ideas for branding my online coaching business. How to set up a sustainable supply chain for my dropshipping business. What are the risks of investing in cryptocurrency? What are the steps to launch an e-learning platform? Remember, the real power of research lies in action. The billions are in the execution. So, go forth and conquer. I can, I will, I must, let's go! For more digital marketing help, please visit https://www.seochangemarketing.com.